Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
We're both here with Allure.
Allure. And who's excited? Because we're not, unfortunately, I don't know, I saw what we're getting and I'm just like not excited. So some of the stuff is probably just going to go in a giveaway. Like how many highlighters do I need for one thing? So unless I'm wrong, like maybe Allure can surprise me.
I don't even want to show her face. No offense, I don't care.
I'll show her, but she does look very plasticky. No offense to her, but just, I mean, I don't know. Just in this picture alone, I know she looks different in other pictures, but what did you get in there?
No, I'm just like, this is like new look, and I'm like, is that?
Ooh, it's copying Sephora.
That's what I see.
Why Allure? Unless it's good for the environment. I was like, why?
What's
are you gonna scratch it off?
What's it to show you what you're?
Okay.
I don't know. What it's
this is what it looks like with, with what you get after all the booklet and everything. That shows you what's in there. And I don't think I'm gonna even open some of this because I'm just gonna put it in a giveaway. Like maybe you guys really appreciate, this kind of a palette, but I just don't need it. So it's the Nubian by Juvia's, if I'm saying that correctly. Pressed pigment, number 1, 2, and 6. So I don't want to open it because again, if it's going to go to giveaway, it's just going to be just for you guys. So I don't have to, show what's in it. I don't want to get dirty or anything. And then I think this is probably going to be the highlight Ofra. Again, well, it's in its own package. So I could probably at least take it out and show you a little bit better of a look. But again, I'm not going to open it because this is going to be for you guys. So there's an Ofra highlighter.
Yeah, because I either would go with like a light one for my highlight,
and I don't mind dark ones,
with like a dark one for
it's like how many highlighters can we own?
But I would keep them in 2 separate. I wouldn't put them all in one.
Okay, I want to see if any of this stuff I'm actually going to keep. Bliss, the Real Pill Brighten Blush Pink Pill Off Mask.
No, wait, what did you, I don't see that. Did you?
On for 20 minutes. How many masks can I get, Kim? How many?
Wait, am I blind?
So,
I don't see that.
well, no, we probably got a few different things, but so this is going to go in a giveaway. Basically, I got this box just to give it away.
Should I go over the things we got the same?
Well, this is the same.
Okay, I know. Let's press this elimination.
NYX Lipley 24.
Let's go into a giveaway.
Yeah, why not?
Giveaway.
Giveaway. I was like, why not? What else? These two things we have the same, and then you got something different. Eyeliner.
Our Q-Tech Slim Eyeliner. This
is
cute.
Really cute packaging. Mine will go in a giveaway. So, just so you know, I really wanted cleansers, moisturizers, anything that like I'm not getting, and which is fine that they sent me like makeup related stuff.
So depending on, I suppose, what color then
I'll do this one because it looks like we got the same Neutrogena makeup remover. I might just keep this one. It's a little tiny. It's so baby size. Just because once in a while I do use makeup.
I'll give mine to her if she wants it.
Thank you, Kim. because that's the only thing I think in this I would use. And that's it for me. I already
the
did.
Bliss or I got the Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm instead. So I think that's the only thing. That and the eyeliner, right? That I'm gonna.
5 of my items are going in a giveaway, and I'm keeping 1. So I'll just for you guys.
I'm just gonna color this eyeliner as well because it might be just one. I'm gonna keep them 2. Let me see.
I thought it'd be black, but does it say? Do not shake before use. Oh, that's good to know. Good to know. Warning. Let's see. Anything else waterproof?
Yeah, I think it says it's black.
Usually for black. I mean, if not,
I think.
Hopefully it would show.
I think it says
different.
It's black. So.
So
just the eyeliner and the
again, I wasn't really excited about this box other than the fact that if you guys can make use of our items, then that's awesome. But that's the only thing I'm excited about is you guys can get us in the giveaway we do next for our 200 subscribers. So if you saw anything you like, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And as I said, our next giveaway is at 200 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Tell your friends because you'll be getting fun things like what's in here. Take care and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Bye.